Good evening. My name is Zambia Clark. I live in Lakeland, Florida, which is a medium-sized town in between Orlando and Tampa, Florida. I currently have my bachelor's in education, which I have used to own and operate a daycare for 8 years, as well as homeschool my 3 boys for the past 6 years. My prior experience with learning research has been limited. However, being a previous owner of a daycare, we use research-based practices to teach the preschool children as well as implement testing to see if they were ready for kindergarten. I also recently helped the owner and operator of a men's rehabilitation center write a portion of a grant where research was used to estimate the population that will be served by building a multi-purpose community center, as well as the statistics of previous success rates of what has been offered without having the multi-purpose building. What will make learning research fun for me is conducting my own research on projects for facilities that I will be interning at or facilities that I will be working with by myself or with a team of other colleagues and students. After viewing the syllabus, I'm excited to be learning how to better use Excel spreadsheets to customize data to find information that will be needed in order to better service the population and the clients that are being served. I'm very excited to be in this research class this semester and wish all of you the best of luck. Thank you.